How to find hidden group on Telegram on PC. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Telegram on your PC. Log into your account. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. On top, you'll find archive chats. Click on it, and in here you'll find the group chat that is hidden. To make it not here, simply hold on to the chat and click on archive option. After you do that, simply your chat will be on front. And this is how to find hidden group on Telegram on PC easily. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.